Hello guys, in today's video, I'll show you how you can increase your Uber Eats tips. If you're wondering how to increase your Uber Eats tips, it's not just about being fast, it's about the little things that leave a good impression. Here's exactly what works. Tip 1, send a quick message after pickup. Right after you grab the food, text something like, "Hey, I just picked up your order and I'm on the way." Most drivers don't bother to update customers, but when you do, it builds trust and makes people more likely to tip. Tip number second would be handle the food carefully. Always keep the food upright, secure drinks properly, and use an insulated bag if you have one. When customers get their food in perfect condition, they're much happier and usually more generous with tips. And tip number three, be friendly and professional at delivery. If it's a hands off delivery, make eye contact, smile, say something simple like, "Enjoy your meal." If it's contactless, you can still send a quick thank you message after you drop off the order. Being polite just makes a big difference. Tip number four would be work during peak hours. Try delivering during lunch or dinner rush hours because people ordering during busy times are usually in a hurry and they tend to tip better when you're fast and reliable and you get their order on time. Try these tips on your next shift. And if this helped you, hit like, share it with another driver, and follow for more delivery tips. Until then, I'll catch you up in the next video.